circle. Okay, good afternoon all of you. Today we are going to do revision of conics, and essentially I think in this session, so to ensure that it doesn't become like a rehash of whatever you have done at school level. So essentially in this session I will be concentrating a bit on those tangents and normal formulas also, so that it doesn't appear like a complete rehash of whatever you have done at school level. So to begin with, these are the four standard forms of the conics. Um, y square equal to 4ax, y square equal to minus 4ax, x square equal to 4ay, x square equal to minus 4ay. So these are the four standard forms, and actually these are the corresponding diagrams. So these are the diagrams: y square equal to 4ax, y square equal to minus 4ax, x square equal to 4ay, and x square equal to minus 4ay. So what are the parameters? The axis. So for this y equal to 0, y equal to 0, and for these two x equal to 0. Then directrix. For this it is minus x equal to minus a. For this it is x equal to a, y equal to minus a, y equal to a. Vertex for all of them is 0, 0. Focus for this one a0, this one minus a0, this is 0a, this last one is 0 minus a. Latus rectum in all four of them is 4a, and the equation of latus rectum in this is x equal to a, this is x equal to actually the equation of lattice rectum usually it is not required anyway. So here it's x equal to a, x equal to minus a, y equal to a, y equal to minus a. So these are the basic properties. यहाँ पे की कोड है which is trigonometric equations from ML ওটা একটু খেয়াল রেখো, যেটা বলেছিলাম by 31st May you have to fully আরেকটা কথা হচ্ছে যে ওই নতুন গ্রুপ যেটা আছে ওখানে কালকে থেকে আই স্টার্ট গিভিং ইউটিউব ভিডিওস। তো ওখানে অনেকগুলো ভিডিও হবে, তুমি শুধু দেখবে দ্য ভিডিও হুজ ক্যাপশন ইজ ফিজিক্স এমসিকিউ অ্যান্ড ম্যাথস এমসিকিউ। শুধু ওই দুটো ভিডিও তুমি দেখবে, বাকি ইউ ইগনোর। অনেকগুলো থাকবে, কেমিস্ট্রি এমসিকিউ, মানে ক্লাস 11 অনেক কিছু থাকবে, ইউ ইগনোর অল দ্যাট, জাস্ট ফিজিক্স এমসিকিউ, ম্যাথস এমসিকিউ। And video পেছনে একটা homework থাকবে, that you have to do it by, suppose if I post the video tomorrow, so homework you have to do by Wednesday. Yeah. Okay, now all of you, let's have a look at one question. Let's just have a look at one. Can I speak a little louder? Okay. Can I speak a little louder? Okay. Actually, I was speaking something to one student who has just come to meet me. So I think maybe that's why you're thinking I was speaking softly. I don't think I need to speak louder than what I'm speaking right now. I think my voice is okay now. If it is still not okay, you can just mention it. Actually, what happened was that a student of mine came to meet me just now, and I was having a word with him, so I was consciously trying to speak softly. So maybe you thought that my voice is not loud enough, but I guess it should be okay now. Hmm. I think now my voice must be sounding fine. Like the volume of my voice must be adequate. If it is not, you can once again write it in the comment section. So it wasn't that it's not that there's a problem with my voice or with the audio quality. I was speaking to one student who had come here. So that is the thing. So right. So basically, there is a parabola y square equal to 8x, and there is a circle Ramada. আপনি এখানে না দাঁড়িয়ে এই ঘরের সামনে না দাঁড়িয়ে অন্য কোথাও দাঁড়িয়ে মিউজিকটা অন করুন। একটা স্টুডেন্ট বলছে যে আমার আওয়াজটা খুব ভলিউম কম আসছে। আপনি এখান থেকে অন্য কোনো জায়গায় দাঁড়িয়ে একটু অন করে দেখুন, বলছে ভলিউম কম আসছে। Okay, so the question is that there is a parabola y square equal to 8x, and there is a circle x square plus y plus 6 whole square equal to 1. This is the circle. So the question is that in this parabola there is a point P, so in this parabola there is a point P, okay, which is nearest to the center 0, minus 6. So there is a point P on the parabola which is nearest to 0, minus 6. So the question is you have to find the circle through C and center at P. So there is a circle with center at 0, minus. There is a circle which is passing through 0, minus 6, and the center of the circle is at P. You have to find that circle. Okay, that is a question. Okay, that is a question. There is a circle whose center is at C, and there's a circle which is passing through C and center is at P. You have to find that circle. That is a question. So what we will do is now what we will do is that y square equal to 8x. So the parametric version of this, you have to put x equal to 2t square. Just remove x and put 2t square. So y will become 4t. So that is the parametric version. X equal to 2t square, y equal to 4t. So the distance from 2t square comma 4t to 0 comma minus 6, this is the distance formula. Okay, this is the distance from 2t square comma 4t to 0 comma minus 6. So it is coming root over 4t to the power 4 plus 16t square plus 48t plus 36. So 16t cube plus 32t plus 48 by 2 root 4t to the power 4 plus 16t square plus 48t plus 36. This whole thing is equal to 0. So ultimately t cube plus 2t plus 3 is 0. So if you solve this, then t is minus 1. So if t is minus 1, then this point will be 2 comma minus 4. So center 2 comma minus 4. And radius will be the distance from 2 comma minus 4 to 0 comma minus 6. So 2 root 2. So the answer it will be x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 4 whole square equal to 8. So this is the answer of this question. So this particular question actually involved a bit of calculus maxima minima, and also the rest of the sum was pretty easy. Just you have to just use this concept that in a circle, okay, you know the center and you know one point. That is good enough to write the equation of the circle. So we wanted to find the point P. So we first took the parametric. Parametric, what is the formula? What is the formula for parametric? Y square equal to 4ax. So the formula is x equal to 80 square, y equal to 280. So this is the formula for the parametric. So y square equal to 8x So A will be 2. So I got 2t square and 4t like that. So once I know the parametric, and then I'll do distance formula from that point to 0, minus 6. Then dt by dt is 0, so I'll get t. And I'll put t back and I'll get the point and I'll get the radius. So this is how we can do this particular question. So this is one ellipse, A is greater than B, this is the ellipse, A is less than B. So major axis y equal to 0, major axis x equal to 0. So length of major axis will be 2a. Equation of minor axis x equal to 0, y equal to 0. And length of minor axis, it will be 2b. So directrix x equal to plus minus a by e. Equation of lattice rectum. And length of lattice rectum is 2b square by a. and center will be 0, 0. So these are the basic formulas of ellipse. So this is the horizontal ellipse, this whole thing, and this whole thing is the vertical ellipse, and these are the basic formulas. So focal distance of any point x comma y a minus e mod x from nearer focus and a plus e mod x from farther focus and sum of the focal distances of any point equal to length of the major axis. So these are the total theories and everything related to ellipse. Okay, now let's have a look at this question. Find the equation of the circle passing through the foci of x square by 16 plus y square by 9 equal to 1 and center is 0, 3. Okay, so this is the question. So this is the second question of today. Find the circle passing through the foci of this and center is 0, 3. So you know the formula eccentricity is root over 1 minus b square by a square. So 1 minus 9 by 16, so eccentricity will be root 7 by 4. So the foci will be plus minus 4 into root 7 by 4 comma 0. So plus minus root 7 comma 0. And the equation will be x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equal to distance between these two. So distance between these two is root over 7 plus 9, that is 4. So x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equal to 4. So this, if you simplify, So you will get x square plus y square minus 6y minus 7 equal to 0. That will be the answer. So this is the answer of this question number 2, that the circle passing through the foci of this and center 0, 3 is x square plus y square minus 6y minus 7 is 0. So hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1 and y square by a square minus x square by b square equal to 1. So the transverse axis for this is y equal to 0 and for this is x equal to 0. Conjugate axis for this is x equal to 0 and this is y equal to 0. Length of transverse axis is 2a. Foci plus minus a is 0 and 0, plus minus a. Equation of lattice rectum 2b square by this will be length of lattice rectum. Then center will be for this one it will be 0, 0 and this also 0, 0. So these are the basic formulas of hyperbola, the very basic formulas. Okay, so let's have a look at one question. So there is a hyperbola whose lattice rectum length is 8 and length of conjugate axis is half the distance between the foci. So there is a hyperbola whose latus rectum length is 8 and the length of the conjugate axis is half the distance between the foci. This information is given. So with this information you have to find the eccentricity. So with this knowledge you will have to find the eccentricity. So 2b square by a is 8, so b square will be 4a. And length of conjugate axis is 2b, that is half of 2ae. So b is coming ae by 2. So a square, if you apply here, a square e square by 4 is a square into e square minus 1. So a square will cancel and now you have to solve. So e will come, eccentricity will come 2 by root 3. So that will be the answer of this question. So once again, what was the question? That there is a hyperbola whose latus rectum is 8 and the length of the conjugate axis is half the distance between the foci. So question is, what is the eccentricity? So latus rectum is 8, so 2b square by a is equal to 8. So b square is 4a and length of conjugate axis is 2b, that is half of 2a. So that means b is equal to a by 2. So you come back and put b equal to a by 2. So a square e square by 4 is a square into e square minus 1. So answer is eccentricity is 2 by 2. So focal distance of any point on this is e mod x minus a from the nearer focus. And e mod x plus a from the farther focus. So the difference of the focal distances of any point will be the difference between these two, that is 2a. So once again, the focal distance of any point on a hyperbola, e into mod x minus a from nearer focus and e into mod x plus a from farther focus, and if you subtract them, the answer is 2a. So the difference between, so in ellipse, the sum of the focal distances was 2a. In hyperbola, the difference of focal distances is 2a. So y square equal to 4ax, x equal to 80 square, y equal to 280. Then this is the ellipse. So x is a cos theta, y is b sin theta. So if it is x square by x square plus y square by b square equal to 1, x is a cos theta, y is b sin theta. If it is x square by x square minus y square by b square equal to 1, then x is a sec theta and y is b tan theta. So this we have already done one sum, parametric form of parabola. So this is parametric form of ellipse and this parametric form of hyperbola. So these are the parametric formulas. Okay, next we come to tangent and normal formulas. So tangent at the point x1, y1 to y square equal to 4ax, this is the formula. Y1 is 2a into x plus x1. Then normal to y square equal to 4ax at x1, y1. So y1 into x minus x1 plus 2a into y minus y1 is 0. Then normal to y square equal to 4ax at am square comma minus 2am. So it will be y equal to mx minus 2am minus am cube. Okay, number 4. The normal at a by m square comma 2a by m to the parabola y square equal to 4ax is y equal to mx plus a by m. So these are the tangent and normal formulas of parabola. Okay, tangent, normal, normal, and okay, the last one will be tangent. Sorry. So the question is prove that y equal to x plus root 5 is a common tangent to 2x square plus 2y square equal to 5 and y square equal to 4x root 5. So the parabola is y square equal to 4x root 5. So if you think of it as 4 into root 5 into x, so a is root 5 actually. Now, according to this formula which we saw, y equal to mx plus a by m, so according to this formula, it will be y equal to mx plus root 5 by m. This will be the tangent to the parabola. Okay, now the thing is, if you put m equal to 1, then you will get y equal to x plus root 5. So y equal to x plus root 5 is a tangent. 0, 0 is the center. So the center is 0, 0 and radius is root 5 by 2. Now from 0, 0 if you drop a perpendicular to this line, then it is coming root 5 by 2. That means y equal to x plus root 5 is a tangent to the parabola. It is also a tangent to the circle. It is tangent to both. So that is the proof of question number 4. Prove that this is a common tangent to both. So this is the proof of this sum. Okay, next question, slope of the common tangent to slope of the common tangent to y square equal to 4x and x square equal to minus 32y. So these two will have a common tangent and you will have to find the slope. So I think what we can do is that we can say that this one will be 4 into 1 into x. So y equal to mx plus 1 by m will be the tangent to this. And this will be tangent to this one also. So x square is minus 32 into mx plus 1 by m. So x square plus 32 mx plus 32 by m is 0.
Hello. 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 Hello.
So if we use discriminant equal to 0, then m is coming half. So the slope of the common tangent will be half. So once again, how did we do question number 5? So y square equal to 4x. So you write it as 4 into 1 into x. And the tangent is mx plus 1 by m. X square is minus 32y. So you just replace y as mx plus 1 by m. So x square plus 32 mx plus 32 by m is 0. So you just put the discriminant equal to 0. So m will be half. So chord of contact of tangents from x1, y1 to x, y square equal to 4ax. The answer will be y1 is 2a into x plus x1. This is the formula for chord of contact. And with midpoint x1, y1. So chord whose midpoint is x1, y1. So the answer will be y1 minus 2a into x plus x1 is y1 square minus 4a x1. So chord of contact of tangents from x1, y1 to this parabola is this, and chord whose midpoint is x1, y1, this is the formula. Okay, now we come to the tangent formulas of ellipse. So the equation of tangent to x square by x square plus y square by v square equal to 1 at x1 y1 is x1 by x square plus y1 by v square equal to 1. Then equation of normal to this ellipse at x1, y1. That this is the normal. So tangent to x square by x square plus y square by x square equal to 1 at minus a square m by c comma b square by c is y equal to mx plus minus root a square m square plus b square. So prove that common tangent to y square equal to 16x root 3 and 2x square plus y square equal to 4 is y equal to 2x plus 2 root 3. Okay, so common tangent to y square equal to 16x root 3 and 2x square plus y square equal to 4. You have to prove that the common tangent to these two is 2x plus 2 root 3. So what we will do is the parabola, we will write it like this: 4 into 4 root 3 into x. So a will be 4 root 3. So y equal to mx plus 4 root 3 by m will be the equation of the tangent to the parabola. Now what you do is you take this equation and go and put it here. You put this y equal to mx plus 4 root 3 by m, you take it and put it here and do discriminant equal to 0, so you will get the value of m. And once you get the value of m, you will get this answer. So I am not doing the rest of the sum. Okay, I'll just say it again. Actually, y square equal to 16x root 3, you write 4 into 4 root 3 into x, so a is 4 root 3. So y equal to mx plus 4 root 3 by m is the tangent. Now this you take it and put it over here. If you put it over here, you will get a quadratic. You put discriminant equal to 0, you will get m, and automatically that will give you the answer. So the tangent to x square by x square minus y square by y square equal to 1 at x1 y1 x1, this is for hyperbola, by a square minus y1 by b square equal to 1. So normal to x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1 at x1 y1 is a square x by x1 plus b square y by y1 is a square plus b. So chord of contact of tangents from x1 y1 to this ellipse x1 by a square plus y1 by b square equal to 1. So a hyperbola passes through the point P root 2 root 3. So foci plus minus 2 comma 0. So you have to find the tangent at this point root 2 comma root 3. So x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. So AE will be 2. So 2 by a square minus 3 by a square into a square minus 1 is 1. So a square is either 8 or 1. But a square equal to 8 is not possible, then b is coming negative, so a square has to be 1. So b square is a square into e square minus 1. So b square will be equal to 4 minus 1, that is 3. So we have got a square is 1 and b square is 3. So the tangent x into root 2 by 1 square minus y into root 3 by 3 is equal to 1. So x into root 2 by 1 square minus y into root 3 by 3 is 1. So x root 2 minus y by root 3 is 1. So this will be the answer. So tangent at minus a square m by c minus b square by c. It will be y equal to mx plus minus root over a square m square minus b square. So tangent at minus a square m by c comma minus b square by c, y equal to mx plus minus root a square m square minus b square. So that completes all the theory and the formulas and important examples of conics, and especially I actually wanted to focus on the tangent normal type of questions because those are the ones which are more important for competitive purpose. And just I want to mention, although I have said it earlier, that this is the concluding session and the classes will be in a new group in a new format from tomorrow. So this is the concluding session. Okay. From tomorrow the classes will be held in a new format in the new group. Right. So this is the last session at this time, 3:45 p.m. Okay. So I'll end the meeting. Thank you.